Okay, if you use ChatGPT and you're in India, you need to stop what you're doing and listen up. OpenAI just dropped a massive announcement that honestly sounds too good to be true, and we're going to break it all down for you.
And let's be super clear here. This isn't some global thing that everyone's getting. Nope. This is a huge, targeted offer exclusively for the Indian market. And you know, that really tells you a lot about how important India has become for OpenAI. It's one of their fastest growing user bases on the planet.
So what's the big deal? Well, how does a full year of premium access sound for free? That's right, 12 whole months of a much more powerful version of ChatGPT. And there are no strings attached. Well, almost not.
All right, let's dive into the specifics. This whole promotion officially kicks off on November 4th, 2025. And believe me, this isn't just a small giveaway. It's designed to be a total game changer for how people use AI in India. So you gotta ask, why are they doing this? Well, all signs point to a major strategic push. OpenAI really wants to get its best tools into the hands of millions of Indian users. They're trying to speed up adoption and pretty much solidify the country as a key player in their whole ecosystem.
So, what exactly is this ChatGPT Go plan that you're getting for free? It's not the basic version you might be used to, but it's not quite their top-of-the-line plan either. Let's figure out where it fits.
You can think of ChatGPT Go as like the perfect middle ground. It was created to be this really powerful but still affordable step up from the free version. It gives you a whole bunch of features that were previously locked away behind a pretty steep paywall.
Which, of course, brings us to the most important question, right? If you're using the free version right now, what kind of an upgrade are we actually talking about here? Is it really worth it?
And wow, this slide really just lays it all out. On the left, you've got the standard free tier. We all know that one, but just look at the Go column. You're jumping to a way more advanced AI model, you're getting way higher usage limits, and you're unlocking a whole suite of advanced tools. It's really a night and day difference.
Let's get into the good stuff, the actual features. You're not just getting a tiny little boost here. We're talking access to the latest GPT-5 model, something like 10 times the message limits, the ability to generate images right in the chat, analyze files. You can even build your own custom GPTs. And honestly, the longer conversation memory alone is a huge deal. It just makes your chats so much smarter.
Okay, so you're probably sold on the value. Now for the most important part. How do you actually get your hands on this incredible offer? Don't worry, it's pretty simple. Let's walk through it. So if you're on a computer, just go to the website, log in, and you should see a big banner or an upgrade option somewhere. Just click that, pick the Go plan, and you're almost there. It is going to ask you for a payment method, but hold on, we'll explain why in just a second.
For all you Android users out there, it's just as easy. First, make sure your app is updated to the latest version. Then just log in and you should see a prompt to upgrade. Tap that, follow the steps, and you're good to go. Oh, and for you iPhone users, don't worry. The sources say this offer is coming for you very, very soon.
So, about that payment detail thing, why do you need to enter your card or UPI info? It's really just for verification and to handle the automatic renewal if you decide to keep it after the free year. I promise you will not be charged that 399 rupee fee for the next 12 months. You might see a tiny 1 or 2 rupee charge, but that's just for verification, and it usually gets refunded right away.
All right, now just like with any amazing free offer, it's always a good idea to read the fine print. So let's go over the important details you absolutely need to know before you click that button.
This is the question that's on everyone's mind, right? An entire year of a premium service for absolutely nothing? It sounds way too good to be true. So, is there a catch?
Okay, listen up, because this is the most important thing you need to remember. Your subscription is going to automatically renew at the standard price after your free year is up. So here's my advice, and please do this. The second you sign up, go into your calendar and set a reminder for, say, 11 months from now. That gives you plenty of time to decide if you want to keep paying for it or if you want to cancel.
And this right here is the number you need to keep in mind. After those 12 free months are over, your subscription will roll over to a paid plan at 399 rupees per month. So you just have to decide if it's worth that to you by then.
One last really critical detail, especially for current subscribers. If you're a free user, great. You can just upgrade directly, no problem. But, and this is a big but, if you are already paying for a Plus or Pro plan, you have to cancel your current subscription first. Then you have to wait for that billing cycle to end, and only then can you sign up for this free Go offer. Don't miss that step. So, there you have it. That's the full breakdown of OpenAI's massive giveaway in India. It kind of leaves us with one final thought, doesn't it? Is this a truly generous gift to help a whole nation leap forward with AI? Or is it maybe the world's best one-year trial, perfectly designed to get millions of us hooked on features we won't want to live without? The answer is probably a little bit of both.